Finding the right refrigerator parts is hard. But finding this LG door shelf bins by Feikeer 2-pack was a lifesaver. It's an easy and perfect fit. Our old door shelves were cracked and sad. These new bins were a perfect replacement. They are made of sturdy, thick plastic. We have a family of 4. These shelves hold a lot. No more flimsy shelves for us. We now have 2 strong, solid shelves. They hold our milk and juice. They also hold all the condiments. Now our refrigerator door is neat. Everything has a place. It's a refrigerator organization dream. The installation was so simple. Even my teenager could do it. You simply slide the old one out. Then you slide the new one in. No tools are needed at all. It took maybe a minute. Furthermore, the fit is so snug. There is no wiggle room. This gives me peace of mind. I know my items are safe. This is especially true for heavy items. We also like the design. It's very clean and minimal. It matches the rest of the refrigerator. This is a very important detail to me. After all, nobody wants mismatched parts. I highly recommend these LG door shelf bins by Feikeer 2-pack. These bins are also a great value. You get 2 bins for a good price. They also arrived quickly, so we didn't have to wait. The packaging was very secure. We had no damaged parts. I was so impressed with the quality. So, I will be buying more. I will replace the other old bins. Now, our refrigerator feels brand new. This small change makes a big difference. It's a small investment with a huge payoff. It makes our kitchen life easier. I'm telling all my friends. I tell them to buy the LG door shelf bins by Feikeer 2-pack. This is a top-notch product. Pros: fits perfectly, identical to OEM, exact fit, great quality, easy to install, sturdy, better than the original one, popped it right in place, came pretty quick. Cons: does not fit all refrigerator models, made of plastic. May not be durable, can be more expensive than other options. Features: part number AAP73252302 side left, compatibility. LG Kenmore Sears replaces multiple part numbers. Type: door shelf bin. Material: plastic. Implied: easy to install. Category: refrigerator basket bin. This Feikeer refrigerator door shelf bin is a left side replacement part, compatible with many LG and Kenmore Sears refrigerators. The pack includes 2 bins, designed to replace several different part numbers including a P5602874 and OP73252311. These plastic bins are easy to install and serve as a direct replacement for a broken or missing door shelf, helping to organize food and drinks inside the refrigerator. This summary is about the Feikeer AAP73252302 refrigerator door shelf bin. It's designed to replace the original part in certain LG and Kenmore Sears refrigerators. Many people find that it's a great quality, sturdy bin that fits perfectly and is easy to install. In fact, some even say it's better than the original part. However, it's important to know that it doesn't fit all models. And because it's made of plastic, its durability might be a concern for some. It can also be more expensive than other replacement options.